Name of this church again?
This is Manila Cathedral. Okay. This is one of the biggest church too. That's the Palacio of the Gobernador. That's a malaking palace. Before of the Spanish time.
Nice time.
This monument, this is Spanish, one of the highest official. Then this one is the highest court before, but it's already broken for the World War II. But we cannot remove. Then if we have some private tunnel, that will be the one to renovate.
Alright.
This church is already repaired. This is a big inside, you know. Only the original and also in the front, but the roof is broken for the war.